Tired of worrying about your debit card security every time you shop online? This video will unlock the full potential of your Chime Virtual Card, showing you how to use it safely and conveniently, pretty much anywhere. First, open your Chime app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Card tab. This is where you will manage both your physical and virtual Chime cards. You'll see your Chime Virtual Card displayed here. You can view your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Remember, never share this information with anyone you don't trust. For enhanced security, Chime lets you generate new virtual card numbers. If you suspect your card information has been compromised, simply tap the Generate New Card button. This instantly deactivates your old card and creates a brand new one. Want to use your virtual card in stores? Add it to your digital wallet. Open Google Pay or Apple Pay on your phone and follow the prompts to add a new card. Use your Chime Virtual Card details when prompted. Once added, you can use Tap to Pay at any store that accepts mobile payments. Is secure and super convenient. Remember to regularly review your Chime transactions for any unauthorized activity. If you see something suspicious, immediately contact Chime support. Enjoy the security and flexibility of your Chime Virtual Card.